Mama Rohina, kasi dito sa sinabi mo rito that tinawagan ka ni Presidente, former President Duterte, 5 a.m. in the morning. And during that time that you were with him, kayo lang bang dalawa?
No, Mr. Chair.
Sinong kasama nyo sa sasakyan?
Ah, yeah, it's just the two of us, sir, Mr. Chair.
So, ikaw ang sumundo kay former President?
I have my vehicle kasi, so nag-drive ako papunta doon. And then sabi niya, sasakay na lang siya sa loob ng sasakyan.
So, you were driving the car?
Yes, sir.
And this is a usual thing for you to do with the former president when you were still the chief of police of Davao.
Hindi naman, Mr. Chair.
So, hindi siya regular na ginagawa nyo na sinusundo mo siya doon? Or, no? Kasi very unusual yung...
No, Mr. Chair, that was the first time that
First time to?
pinapunta ako doon. Yes.
At nagtaka ka rin dahil presidente na siya noon. President-elect na siya.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Taka
And
din
this
ako.
was May 2016. Hindi pa siya nag-oath.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And do you have some inkling on what you were going to talk about or wala naman?
Hindi ako nagtatanong kasi, Mr. Chair. I just complied with the instructions.
Bakit ka pinagkakatiwalaan ng former president? I was hindi naman confused, but suddenly parang lang nabibigla lang ako because you were denying your relationship with him, right? Even there are issues about you and the former president having a romantic relationship in accordance to what we have read doon sa mga issue that was tackled by Montulfo. You will be denying that you have a relationship with the former president?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
At yung pagtitiwala sa iyo, paano nag-start yung pagtitiwala? Kasi there must be something on it. That's the reason why he called you and he was with you. Ano yun?
Mr. Chair, kung titingnan mo kasi yung structure ng officer sa Davao City Police Office, I am the most senior female police officer. And then the first time that I reported also sa Davao City Police Office when he was the mayor and I was just a lieutenant during that time, it appears that I'm the first PNPA officer who was assigned in Davao City. I think it was his first time to encounter. I was only 23 years old during that time. So parang naging familiar din siya sa akin. And then when I work sa Davao City Police Office na mayor siya or naging vice mayor siya, perhaps siguro nakita niya rin yung how I work, Mr. Chair. Until eventually nung naging senior na po yung rank ko, as an admin officer, I would attend mga conferences and I am the only female officer present in the room and I used to be the spokesperson of the station commanders because nahiya sila magtanong.
So in other words, matagal kayong matagal kayong nagkasama sa trabaho. It's all about work.
Yes, Mr.
Walang
Chair.
something that niligawan ka niya o naging
To some, it would appear na parang nanligaw but for me, it's just naman po, just work.
So, sino si Muking? Kasi may sinabi ka dito si a certain Muking contacted you. Is he Muking Espino?
Parang Espina. Yeah, it's a staff po ni, ano po yan, sa City Hall, sa office po ni Sir Bongo during that time.
Staff to ni Senator Bongo?
Yes po, during that time.
Anong pangalan niya?
Actually, I forgot, Mr. Chair, but she's known with that name, Muking.
Yan, and here, may...
Espina
Espina.
Espina or Espino.
Anyway,
It can be verified anyway,
siguro, Mr. Chairman, to give clarity, on this statement made by Rohina Garma, let's invite this Muking Espino, in the next hearing, no?
Okay.
And sige po, Mr. Chair.
Comsec, please take note and send invitation for our next Quadcom hearing.
Mr. Chairman,
And
I think that certain Muking is assigned during the time from Davao. Dinala po sa Malacanang. I think he's USEC doon sa PMS. Kindly check na lang, Comsec.
Would you know the complete and full name of
Ermina?
booking?
Hindi, pa-check na sa records sa PMS.
So we can check the records already. Comsec, please coordinate with the PMS and invite the name Muking.
And on number 12, binabanggit mo dito that you learned from Arthur Nasolis via phone that Leonardo had been summoned by the President and was instructed to proceed to Mandaya Hotel in Davao for a meeting. I think, Mr. Chairman, we need to really ask the PNP to look for Arthur Nasolis. What is the status of Arthur Nasolis with regards to this hearing, Mr. Chairman?
Yes, earlier we asked Colonel Cunanan, our liaison to the Philippine National Police, to coordinate with the new CIDG chief, General Torre, and help the committee locate SPO for Arthur Narsolis. He's very material in this investigation, and we need his testimony before this Quadcom.
And in accordance with your affidavit, number 19, after the courtesy call, which happened in DPWH, Leonardo informed me that the structure of the intended task force would undergo changes. Ano yung changes na yun?
Nung una po kasi, yung ginawa pong parang structure is masyadong, what do you call this? Very structured po siya talaga, na merong head, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and maraming staff. So, ang nangyari po is na-change, naging simple na lang. Naging simple na meron ng in-charge, and then meron lang mag-handle ng mag-verify siguro, mag-document, and etc. So, hindi na siya tulad na may Luzon na task force, Visayas o Mindanao, which is
So nakita mo
originally,
yung
yun ang
structure na
plano.
yun? Nakita mo yung structure na yun?
Yung original structure, nakita ko po, sir, kasi nga ako po yung nag-arrange ng meeting para
Yeah.
i-discuss. Pero yung second na simple na, parang wala nang structure kasi parang in addition to your function, parang ganyan na lang po nangyari sa IDG. Ito yung task mo, ito yung task mo, ito yung
So,
tasking mo.
Kasi we have received a structure
that
that
is just
you have
the-
submitted to us.
That is how the flow looks lang po. It's a diagram but not the structure
Hindi ito
na
ang
sasabihin
pinaka-structure.
mo. No, it's just a diagram how communication
Flows.
Yes, Mr. Chair. It's just a communication flow actually.
Okay, from the top to the
Yeah, it
bottom
appeared-
level.
Yes, it would appear that
All right.
way.
So
It's not a
just
structure.
wanted to inform the body that we have received a diagram of how the money flows, no?
The communication
communication
flows,
and?
yes. And it would appear also the money would come and maglabas
So we
po.
will go with that, no? We will go with that. So
May hulanong salita na ang ibig sabihin dito ay ang pagkakaisa. Bunyog Party List. Halika na, Bunyog Party List ka na. Halika na, Bunyog Party List ka na.
Sa susunod, ang atinang suportahan, Bunyog Party List, nagtataguyod ng katotohanan, lumalaban para sa bayan.